So originally these are the mount points where the lower part of this bar goes supposed to go into. We don't have the removable, these are welded onto the chassis, so they're not removable. So I'm gonna try to see if I can mount them over here. The distance looks more or less the same, so this is removable, although we have to reuse this screw and not the screw that came with the mount. Let's see, fingers are crossed. Mounting these should be pretty easy. You can see this, so yeah. Pop the seat, these go right over these, and then you clamp them down. And it should be a pretty simple job. You're just going to slide them in and remove the screws and then slide them on, and then hopefully we'll be able to get this thing on. So the way to do this would be, I'll just put one screw in here just to hold everything together, and then we will start sliding these in place. So this is how it goes, and we'll hold in. One in. It's a bit of a pain to do this one. Should be able to get it done. Nope, not working. It doesn't go in fully. Just to grab. It's grabbed. Now, yeah. They're just giving us regular screws instead of these Allens. They're a pain in the ass to do. Just make sure you don't crack anything over here. So we got one fixed right now. The other one we'll fix over here. So I figured, you do this one first. Just thread it in slightly so it holds it in place. Then you move it from out the center one and then the last one. And that is the easiest way to do this, and kind of push it back and then clamp it down. So let me do this one. We'll see. Okay, so the main strut brace is fitted. Seat mounts are tight. This is also tight. You tighten these. Same thing over here. The seat mounts are perfectly tight. This is tight, and then this is where the other ones bolt in. So now comes the moment of truth. Let's see if we can figure out a way to mount these in alternate position. Okay, so the brace is installed. The top part is the main part, which is the connecting the two body panels over here. This is perfectly fitting. The issue is in the lower part. As you can see, this is supposed to go over here. In the Octavia, this is bolted, this is welded on, so this can't screw in over here. I was hoping that I could basically take this point and mount it over here, but then it's not long enough, so I need longer bars over here. So the options are very simple. Either I ask RacingLine to make this bar longer, or I get a custom bar made from aluminum which takes this point and mounts it over here. So let me just show you guys this. Since we didn't have the mount points to mount the side members, we used the baggage hooks. We used the M4 screw with a plastic washer on top to mount the side mounts and hold the mounts also in place. They worked somewhat, but due to the gap between the tension points, there was no tension on the rod. So these side rods were just cosmetic. But the mount was installed and the brace was holding, although not the full load as what it was designed to do.